Hi friends, my name is Gajanan sir, and today we are going to discuss about the important geographical subtitle of the city and country. Dear children, general knowledge is a very important subject in any competitive examinations, and that's why we must have maximum knowledge. So, at the same time, there are no limitations which questions can be asked in the examination. So, from all these sides, we must be aware and we must have knowledge of maximum subjects. So I have brought 65 questions to you, and those questions are related to national and international level. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. Which city is called the city of seven hills? And the correct answer is Rome. Rome. Rome, that is the capital of Italy. Question number 2. Which city is called the city of popes? Here, popes means the religious preacher of Christian religion, and the city of popes is called to the city Rome. Question number 3. Which city is called the ancient empress of the world? And the answer is Rome. Empress, emperor opposite empress, means Rome was the most beautiful city in those days, and that's why it was called the ancient empress of the world. Question number 4. Which city is called the Babylon of the West? What is this Babylon? Babylon was the capital of Mesopotamian civilization, and it was a very beautiful city, and that's why the Babylon of the West is called to Rome. Which city is called the eternal city or holy city of the world? Eternal city means which did not come to an end, and that city was Rome. Question number 6. Which city is called the Pearl of the Antilles? And the answer is Cuba. Question number 7. Which city is called the sugar bowl of the world? And the answer is Cuba. Cuba, it's a very small country which is lying between North America continent and South America continent. Question number 8. Which city is famous for its skyscrapers building? Here skyscrapers means very heighted building. And the answer is New York in USA. About New York, this city is also called the Big Apple of the world. But nowadays, this city is badly surrounded by the coronavirus, and so many people lost their lives in this. Question number 9. Which country is called the Pearl of the Orient? Orient means Eastern countries, and answer is Singapore. So Singapore is called the Pearl of the Orient. Question number 10. Which city is called the Quaker City? The answer is Philadelphia. Question number 11. Which city is called the City Garden or the City of Air? I am repeating the question. Which city is called the Garden City or the City of Air? And the correct answer is Chicago in USA. When we hear the word or the city Chicago, at that time we remember the name of great Indian hermit Swami Vivekananda. He went at Chicago in 1893 in the World Religious Conference, where he had given his world famous speech about the Hindu religion and its traditions. And in the one night, the Hindu religion became very much famous in all over the world. And this person was respected a lot into that religious summit. Question number 12. Which river is called the sorrow of China? And the answer is Ho Hang Ho. Its another name is Yellow River also. Question number 13. Which city is called the city of eternal brook? And the answer is Kyoto. It is situated in Ecuador country, and this country is located in South America continent. Next question number 14. Which which country is called the Hermit Kingdom? And the answer is North Korea. Question number 15. Which country is called the land of the morning calm? And the answer is South Korea. Question number 16. Which country is called the land of the golden fleece? And the answer is Australia. Question number 17. Which country is called the land of the kangaroo? You know very well about kangaroo. When the Australian cricket players come in India, generally the commentators use this word kangaroos, and kangaroos are famous in Australia. Another kangaroo is only an animal who is having a bag for keeping their child in their body. Question number 18. Which country is called the land of the golden wool? And the answer is Australia. Question number 19. Which country is called the land of the thousand lakes? And the answer is Finland. Question number 20. Which country is called the land of the midnight sun? And the answer is Norway. Norway, this is a small country which is located in the Europe continent, and the per capita income of this country's citizen is more than the American people, and that's why this is also a very rich country. Another thing, you would have heard the name of Nobel Prize. In Nobel Prize there are total 6 prizes. Into that, the Nobel Peace Prize is given from the country Norway, and whose amount is the highest amount in the comparison of any other award in the world. And that's why a person who will get the Nobel Peace Prize, that person is respected a lot in all over the world. Question number 21. Which city is called the gateway of the Mediterranean Sea? And the answer is Gibraltar. Nowadays, Gibraltar is under the control of Britishers. Next question. Which city is called the Holy Land? And the answer is Jerusalem. It is located in Israel, and it was the birthplace of the Jesus Christ. Question number 23. Which city is called the Granite City? And the answer is Aberdeen. It is situated in Scotland. Scotland, it is one part of United Kingdom or Great Britain. Question number 24. Which island is called the Emerald Island? And the answer is Ireland, an island in the North Atlantic. Question number 25. Which country is called the gift of the Nile River? And the answer is Misr. Its old name was Egypt. Egypt is very much famous for its Egyptian civilization, and into that pyramids and sphinx are very much famous. You know very well, the pyramid of Khufu king was the highest pyramid in the Egypt, and sphinx is a statue who is having the face of lion and the body of human. Question number 26. Which city is called the Empire City? And the answer is New York in USA. Question number 27. Which city is called the Queen of Adriatic? And the answer is Venice. It is in Italy. Which city is called as the Queen of Arabian Sea or Venice of East? This is an important question related to India. Which city is called as the Queen of Arabian Sea or Venice of East? And the answer is Kochi in India. Next question. Which country is called the playground of Europe? And the answer is Switzerland. It is the most beautiful country in the world, and that's why most of the movies are shooted at this place. The people who are having a great will to see the beauty of the nature, those people can go to Switzerland. Question number 30. Which country is called the Sunrise Nation? And the answer is Japan. Question number 31. Which country is called the land of thunderbolt? And the answer is Bhutan. Question number 32. Which country is called the land of the white elephant? And the answer is Thailand. Next question. Which country is called the land of the thousand elephants? And the answer is Laos. Next question. Which country is called the country of lily? And the answer is Canada. If you will see the flag of Canada, on that you can find a picture of lily. Question number 35. Which land is called Never Never Land? And its answer is Prairies of North. Question number 36. Which ocean is called the Herring Pond? Its answer is Atlantic Ocean, who always make noise. Question number 37. Which country is called the roof of the world? And the answer is Pamir Plateau, which is located in Tibet. Question number 38. Which city is called the Venice of the world? And the answer is Stockholm, and it is the capital of Sweden. Before some time I told you, in Nobel prizes there are 6 prizes. Out of that, one prize, that is Nobel Prize for Peace, is given from the country Norway, and the remaining 5 are given from the country Sweden, from the place Stockholm. And those 5 subjects are physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature and economics. These Nobel Prizes had started in the year 1901 to remember the work of Sir Alfred Nobel, who was the inventor of dynamite. After his death in 1900, he declared that whatever wealth he will have, that wealth should be utilized to keep peaceful environment in all over the world, and that's why from the year 1901 the Nobel Prizes had started in all over the world. Question number 39. Which place is called the Grave of the Whites? And the answer is Guinea Coast. It is located in western coast of Africa continent. Next question is 40 number. Which country is called the land of cakes? Everybody like the cakes. And the country, which country is called the land of cakes? Scotland. Means if you want to learn or if you want to eat various types of cakes, then you have to go to Scotland. Okay. Next question number 41. Which country is called the cockpit of Europe? You have to pay more attention here. I have written here India by mistake, but you have to write there Europe. Which country is called the cockpit of Europe? And the answer is Belgium. It is located in Western Europe. Belgium was the country who was badly suffered at various wars which had happened in the Europe. Question number 42. Which city is called the city of Golden Gate? And the answer is San Francisco in USA. This place is important regarding to United Nations organization, because the final decision about the establishment of United Nations organization, which was established on 24th October 1945, the final decision was taken from this place, and that place was San Francisco. Question number 43. Which city is called the Dream Minarets City? And the answer is Oxford. It is in England. Oxford University is very much famous for its good education. Question number 44. Which country is called the Britain of South? And the answer is New Zealand. Next question. Which continent is called the blind continent? And the answer is Africa continent. This continent is also called black continent because most of the people in that country, in that continent, are having black color, and for that they are not personally responsible because the natural environment is responsible for that. The line of Capricorn, the line of Cancer, and the equator, this three line goes to the Africa continent, and in these three lines the sun spend maximum time, and that's why due to the great heat of the sun, the people of Africa continent is having the black color. Question number 46. Which country is called the country of Golden Pagoda? And the answer is Myanmar, which is our neighboring country, whose old name was Burma and Brahmadesh also. From this country, one lady is very much famous, who is Aung San Suu Kyi. This lady had fought to create democracy in her own country by throwing away the military power. I told you the name Aung San Suu Kyi. Question number 47. Which area is called the chapati storage of the world? And the answer is prairies of the North America. Question number 48. Which city is called the city of seven islands? And the answer is Mumbai, our Mumbai. And this Mumbai is also called the economic capital of the country. But nowadays, this city is also mostly surrounded by the corona patients, and that's why the economic condition of this city and the people have become very much worst. Question number 49. Which city is called as the Manchester of East? You should be remember that Manchester was the industrial city where the production of cotton was taken in a huge quantity in England. Okay, but here Manchester of the East, and the answer is Osaka in Japan. This place was called the Manchester of East. But what about the Indian Manchester? Ahmedabad, this city was called the Manchester of India. Next question number 50. Which city is called as the Forbidden City? And the answer is Lhasa, Tibet. Next question number 51. Which city is called as the Garden of England? And the answer is Kent, in obviously in England. Question number 52. Which city is called the Garden City of India or Garden of India? And the answer is Bengaluru. Bengaluru is also very much famous as the Silicon Valley of India because the IT park is situated in a huge quantity, and that's why it is also called the hub of information technology of India, that is Bengaluru, whose old name was Bangalore. Question number 53. Which island is called the island of pearls? The answer is Bahrain. Question number 54. Which region in Europe is called the region of dynamite? And the answer is Balkan. Before some time I had used the word dynamite. It was an explosive material which can be mostly used into the bombs, and that's why Balkan was the region in Europe where so many small countries were available, and the remaining big countries in the Europe wanted to occupy them, wanted to capture them, and that's why in that region most of the time the environment was remaining very much hot, and that's why this region was called the region of dynamite. Question number 55. Which country is called the land of sunset? And the answer is Norway. Next question number 56. Which city is called the White City? And the answer is Belgrade. It is in Yugoslavia. Next question. Which Indian state is called the Garden of Spices? And the answer is Kerala. If you can remember the name of Vasco da Gama, who came to India in 1498. He became very much happy after seeing the spices of that place, and he had decided to come to purchase spices from India. And after that, the remaining European countries also attracted to India to purchase the spices. Question number 58. Which city is called the city of monuments? And the answer is Vienna in Austria. You should be well known that there is a huge difference between Austria and Australia. Australia, it is a nation, at the same time it is a continent also, but Austria is only a nation which is situated in Europe continent. Next question. Which city is called the happiness and dreamland of the world? And the answer is Paris, which is the capital of France, and the Eiffel Tower is very much famous of this place. Question number 60. Which country is called the Paris of Asia? Paris of Asia, that is Thailand. Question number 61. Which island is called the island of cloves? And the answer is Zanzibar. It is in Tanzania. Tanzania, this country is situated in Africa continent. And at this place there is one national park which name is Serengeti National Park, which is world famous. Next question number 62. Which area of South Africa is called the Garden Province? And the answer is Natal in South Africa. Wherever you will read the information about Mahatma Gandhi ji, you will find this name Natal. Question number 63. Which country is called the Pearl of the Indian Ocean? And the answer is our neighboring country Sri Lanka. Question number 64. Which country is called the country of delicate flowers? And the answer is Japan. Question number 65. Which country is called the Great Britain of East? And the answer is also Japan. Great Britain was the first nation in the world where the industrial revolution had taken place in the 18th century. In the same manner, from the Asia continent, Japan was the first nation where the industrial revolution had taken place first of all. And the development of Japan also happened very soon, and that's why Japan, this country, is called the Great Britain of East. Dear children, here 65 questions have been completed. I hope you understood the questions and answers in a good manner, and next time I will try to give more and more videos about general knowledge. It will be in English and Hindi language also. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best for your examinations, and I hope if you will have the positive mindset, definitely you can become success in your goals. Thank you, children.